Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can pick font style on this device. You need to begin by accessing settings and choosing display. Now click on styles over here and tap on this plus icon. After that you can click on the best font style for you. Select next after each step and click on done. Now select apply, and as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, you can always do that by selecting Moto theme and choosing apply, or choosing the first font style. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!